Hello.
Welcome to Pokémon. If this is the first time joining, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can go back and watch our other videos. If you're a returning listener, thank you for your support. We're just opening up 5 packs today. These are all actually my brother's. I'm just opening up some for him, so he's not opening them all up. So hopefully we get some good pulls. This is coming from a tin that he got for Christmas from his wife.
From my wife?
Yep. So as always, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right to it. Since you got 3 packs, you can go first.
All right, I will start with Sword and Shield base set. So obviously we'll have a hint to whether or not we got something good.
Like that green card, hopefully. Yep.
That's fine, you know. I'll take all the green cards except for during the evolutions. So. Energy card, guess?
Electric.
Grass. Mantine. Dottler.
That's a good one.
I don't think I've ever gotten that before. Corvus Squire. Ghastly. Rookiddy.
Ricky D.
Sizzlypede.
Nice.
Snom. Haven't seen that one for you. Maywile. Classic.
Maybe a while.
Skorupi.
Ooh.
Masharna. Okay, that must have been a reverse hollow Skorupi.
Come
Sorry.
on.
Sorry, folks.
Rebel Clash. And we got a white card, guys. And, yep. Guess on the energy.
Steel.
Darkness. Right? Darkness.
Yep, dark.
Doublade. Lombre. Hatrim.
Oh my gosh.
Vulpix. Caffeine. Shinx. Galarian Yamask.
Ooh.
Applin.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Get nervous.
A Stunky Reverse Hollow. And, drumroll, a Clefable Holographic. Let's go.
Move through some
Yep.
sleeves of mine down there. Alrighty, folks. I'm on the Rebel Clash. Green.
Nice.
Jeez. Energy type?
Electric.
Fire. Chatot. Dracloak. Lampent. Litwick. Shinx.
Shinx.
Roly-Coly. Applin.
Ooh, apples.
Hatna. Reverse Hollow Magikarp with a
Nice.
little Pikachu in the background, so hey. And Electivire.
And we got the Burning Shadows pack, you know, because Mars Shadows are cool.
And Feel the Burn.
Yep, Bernie Sanders. Green card. We do not support Bernie on this channel. The Pokemon do not like him.
Yep.
Any guess on the energy?
Water.
Grass. Metapod. Great card. Bodybuilding dumbbells. For all you CrossFitters out there. Rhydon. Krogunk. Pansage.
Ooh, get a Panseer.
Stuffle.
Get a Panseer.
Meowth.
That's right.
Crab Roller. A Reverse Hollow Oddish.
Oh,
that's a pretty card.
my.
And then a Lolon Raticate, non-hollow, rare.
Alright guys, so I'm on my evolutions.
Hopefully you get a white card.
White card.
Great start.
Evolutions is 3, right?
Yes. Good save.
Good save, yeah.
Because you messed it up.
Trainer.
You all
I know. Venusaur Spirit Link.
Nice. It's because it doesn't have a energy card. That's
Mhm. Trainer Full Heal.
why. Nice. Sometimes you need that full heal.
Machoke.
But choke. Hopefully this last card's not a choke, dude.
I know. Rattata. Diglett.
Everybody's favorite mole.
Ghastly.
Ooh, what if it's a Gengar, dude? That would be sweet.
Caterpie. Electric Energy.
Oh.
Reverse Hollow Coughing.
Coughing and
Holographic Nido King.
let's freaking go.
Woo! And it's not Shadowless, sorry guys. They didn't sneak one in on me there.
Yeah, it's not from 1999.
But you never know. They could sneak one in on me, and I will be watching and waiting for it.
And you won't find it. But
Yeah,
okay.
I won't.
Well, thanks for tuning in. One of these days, we might get our third brother to join us, but don't bank on it. He's better looking than both of us.
Debatable.
He's smarter than both of us. Debatable as well.
Yeah, that's very debatable.
He's definitely not as cool as us because he doesn't collect Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
But one of these days, maybe. Like and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
And you might get to see your brother next time. So, thank you, and oh crap, there he is.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. We got a little kid waking up too. You coming for Pokemon?
Come on, it's okay.